Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use CJ Dropshipping with TikTok Shop. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to create an account with CJ Dropshipping. Of course, that's the first step you need to do in order to connect CJ Dropshipping with your TikTok Shop. Now first thing you need to do, guys, after you connect, after you create an account with CJ Dropshipping, you have to connect your TikTok Shop to CJ. Okay, how you can do that? It's very easy. So just search here for authorization. Here I'm going to show you guys how you can do this in a few seconds. Now as you can see, just need to search here for authorization, as you can see, and now you can connect, for example, your eBay store, your TikTok shop US. Like if you have like US TikTok shop, you can just connect it, or you can also connect like Etsy. You can connect like multiple like e-commerce platforms here. Now to connect like TikTok shop, you just need to click on it. If it's not like non-US, just click on this. If it's US, you want to click on TikTok shop US. Now in my case, I'm going to connect, or I'm going to use CJ Dropshipping with TikTok shop non-US. I'm going to click on it. Now as you can see, guys, it will take you guys to this page. What you guys need to do here, it says I'm Alex, welcome to CJ. CJ has always been dedicated to provide better service and helping every dropshipper starting from scratch. Now you just need to ignore this. I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. Now as you can see, you haven't authorized any stores yet, so you want to connect your TikTok shop here. Now what you guys need to do, you want to click on add store, and here as you can see, just in case you don't know this, okay, like for TikTok stores, please list products from TikTok section on the home page. Now after you connect, guys, your TikTok shop, always like list products from the TikTok section on the home page of CJ. Okay, so like I said, guys, you just need to, like, for example, if you after you connect like TikTok shop to your CJ dropshipping account, you just need to list products in the like TikTok shop like in the section. Okay, so you don't want like to list any product here. The reason for that is because as you can see, like CJ Dropshipping itself says this. As you can see, for products other than in TikTok section, you may purchase like a private inventory before listing and selling. Okay, so that's exactly the reason. So you will have to do that. As you can see, like the reason for that is the limitation of dispatch time set by TikTok platform. Okay, so you just need to, like I said, list products from the TikTok section on the homepage of CJ Dropshipping. Okay, so after you do that, guys, after you read all of this, as you can see, also the address, guys, make sure you save all of this. You should set like CJ set up CJ Dropshipping returning warehouse in your TikTok management platform if like multiple shipping warehouses have been set up. Okay, so this is like the warehouse information, like this, the warehouse name and contact person and the phone number. As you can see, street address. You can just take a photo of this using your phone. Okay, so after that, guys, you want to read also this. As you can, for orders those where like addresses outside of UK, importing orders manually or via Excel is recommended. At present, those orders cannot be synced via API yet. Okay, so like this is outside of the UK. Now as you can see, guys, you want to click on OK. It's going to take you guys to this page. Okay, so as you can see, it's going to take you guys to your TikTok shop directly, and now you will say here like authorize. Now if like as you can see, if you live like in North America, you want to click on North America. If you live in Asia, if you are an Asia seller, you want to click on Asia, and then you can choose your country here. If you live, for example, in Thailand or Indonesia, as you can see, Chinese, as you can see. Now in my case, I'm going to choose here like Malaysia. I'm going to click on next, and it's going to take me, guys, directly to my TikTok shop. Okay, now for those who don't have like TikTok shop, you will have to create it. Okay, that's the first step. Now I'm going to like create a TikTok shop. As you can see, guys, it says what type of business do you operate, individual, and I'm going to click on next. Now here you just need to add your own information, like the ID, like the front ID, and you can also add state ID if you want, or US driver license. Here you can just select here your state, and you can add your US driving license in order to verify this. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can connect it. Now after you do all these steps, like I said, you just need to list products in the TikTok section here. Okay, just do that, because like I showed you guys at the beginning, you are not allowed like to list any product from CG. Always go to section where you can see TikTok shop and then click on it, and then it will show you guys all the products available that you can like add to your TikTok shop. Okay, so that's exactly guys how you can do this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Drop a like and see you guys next video. As you can see, you want to scroll down, as you can see recommended products from e-commerce, click on TikTok shop, and then all these products will be able to you will be able to import these products to your TikTok shop, as you can see. Okay, so you can also like customize this, like verified inventories, unverified inventories. That's exactly how you can do this guys. If this want to help you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys next video.